Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best under cabinet lighting that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Power Practical Under Cabinet LED Light Kit. The Power Practical Under Cabinet lighting is a great way to add light to dark areas in the home or workspace without taking up any unnecessary space. With warm and daylight options, the lighting can be used to add both style and mood-setting ambiance to any room. These under-cabinet lights are equipped with adjustable brightness and color temperature settings, so you can customize your lighting to suit your personal preferences. The warm setting will provide a buttery yellow tone and the daylight setting provides a cooler blue tint. Even better, the under-cabinet lighting is also equipped with an efficient motion sensor so that you don't need to fumble for a light switch in the dark. The reliable sensor has an optimal range for home interiors. The installation of the under-cabinet light fixtures is easy enough for almost anyone to do themselves, without needing to hire a carpenter or electrician, thanks to its simple design and accompanying instructions. Moving on at number 4, we have the TorchStar Voice Control Smart LED Safe Lighting Kit. Whether you're baking cakes or mixing cocktails, the TorchStar Voice Control LED Safe Lighting Kit will help you enjoy more time in your kitchen. Our overall choice for the best under-cabinet lighting, this kit comes with 6 lighting bars, with each bar containing 18 pieces of high-quality LED chips that give off 150 lumens of brightness while using just 1.8 watts of energy. The slim design makes this lighting strip perfect for a corner application, hiding seamlessly under counters and behind cabinet doors. Double-sided 3M tape backing and connector ends allow for easy installation and joining multiple strips together with the same power adapter, helping you tackle any size kitchen. 2 mounting ears on each strip can be easily reinforced by screws, not included. Other notable features include 0 to 100% dimming capability, timer function, and Alexa compatibility, letting you easily control your lighting system via voice commands such as, "Alexa, dim lights by 50%. Smartphone app control is also available, which means you can switch the lights on and off or dim them whenever you are connected to Wi-Fi. At number 3, we have the Letever Under Cabinet LED Lighting Kit. This lighting system produces 2000 lumens of brightness, more than enough for kitchen tasks, and the light is diffused through a cover so that the brightness is uniform across a countertop. The light is a warm white, flattering to anything it illuminates. The under-cabinet bar lights can be installed with backing adhesive or affixed with screws. A light-emitting diode (LED) system that is fully dimmable from 0 to 100%, it also has an on-off switch for optimal control. Our testing found that the dimmer switch offers flexibility in static lighting versus dimmable lighting depending upon the placement of the switch. Placing the switch next to the on-off switch allows for dimmable control of all connected light bars, while placing it in between light bars along the run results in static light from those near the switch and dimmable for those connected after the dimmer. This can be quite helpful in creating targeted lighting for tasks as well as dimmable lighting for atmosphere. Though it's a low-voltage system at just 12 volts V, it offers the flexibility of 2 different power supply options. One runs from the wall outlet, through an AC adapter and to the lights, and the other can be wired directly into an electrical system and then flow through an AC adapter to produce under-cabinet lighting. Having both options means choosing between a simple, straightforward installation or wiring directly into an electrical system to hide the cords and operate the light using a household light switch. At number 2, we have the JUSJUBR 12-inch plug-in LED under-cabinet light. If you don't want to deal with replacing the batteries, go with a plug-in option. We like the JUSJUBR light strip available at Amazon. It comes with a 12-inch light strip and a power supply with a standard plug that connects to a USB. You can connect multiple strips to fit your cabinet's length with just one outlet. This LED tape can be secured beneath your cabinets with a strong adhesive backing. There are 5 light temperature options so you can achieve your desired look. The on and off switch also acts as a dimmer for setting the mood, and the strip will even remember your last setting so your lighting always looks perfect. If you decide you want a cord-free look, you also have the option to hardwire the strip. And finally at number 1, we have the Light Kiwi E7574 Dimmable Under Cabinet Lighting Kit. This under cabinet LED lighting system of 4 light bars produces 800 lumens of brightness per bar. The thin, sturdy light bars can be connected directly or linked through a cord for customizable coverage. They can be installed via peel and stick backing adhesive or by using screws. Keep in mind the on, off switch and dimmer are on the same unit and must be installed nearest the AC adapter, which potentially limits the options for customization. The Light Kiwi Dimmable Under Cabinet Lighting Kit is a 24-volt low-voltage system that plugs into a power outlet. A dimmer switch controls the brightness output, and a low-energy red light remains lit so that the on-off switch can be found in the dark. The dimmer has a memory function that sets it to the previous brightness level until the user decides to change it. Our testing found that the dimmer doesn't dim all the way. The bars remain lit at a level that might be too much for users who want a very mellow light. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.